Yo guys, how to get dragon's fruits. How to get dragon's fruits right now. I'm gonna be telling you how to actually get dragon fruit for free. Completely for free in Grow Garden. Grow Garden, dragon's fruits right here. So, if you want dragon fruit, subscribe. Subscribe right now. Like, comment down below dragon. If you comment down below dragon fruit you will get, okay? So, what you need to do, like, subscribe, and now you have to go to this place right here, bang, go to this place, bang, and then you have to follow along, guys, follow along. You have to walk around, and then bang. You have to talk to Sam, okay? Now you have to buy dragon's fruits. Right here, you scroll down, scroll, dragon's fruits, right here, boom! Dragon's fruits, okay? You have dragon fruit. Okay, now we going to this farm, pumpkin, okay? You go right here, you go right here, and what? Rainbow cactus. We got a rainbow cactus on the tree. Rainbow green fruit. So you see rainbow green fruit right here. Very cool. Mister is gonna give it to me, okay? For me. Dragon fruit is going to me. So now look, apple, okay? You see apple. This is a very cool fruit. Right now, you can actually eat it with your breakfast. So, you can collect it as well. Very cool. Dragon's fruits. I'm gonna plant dragon fruit, by the way. I'm gonna plant dragon fruit. I'm gonna water dragon fruit. Like, subscribe. You see? Dragon's fruits. You see, guys? Dragon fruits. And look. Rainbow green fruit. Rainbow green fruit. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm gonna plant dragon fruit right now. Where do I put dragon fruit seeds? Right here. Boop, boop, bang. Dragon fruits right here. Right here. Dragon fruits. And then you have to water dragon fruit. Glitch. Okay, look. Glitch. I'm gonna glitch fruit. You put down corn, right? You wait. When you wait, you click again. You see? You click again on the same spot, and it's gonna grow twice as fast, okay? Guys, look. You click again, you click one more time. Bang. You can even put tomatoes inside of the corn fruit. You can even place tomatoes right here. You see? Right here, tomato, one more tomato. Very efficient farm. So this is exactly how you need to structure your farm. You see, tomato, corn, another tomato. I have 10 plants in one spot right here. 10 plants, okay? We are not playing around. Actually, infinite tomato farm.